Good morning. This is the Great Basin Prescribed Fire Briefing, Wednesday, May 8th. Looking at the map, lots of burn projects going on, purple circles all across the geographic area. Even a few starts, small little red circles here, and recent fire starts in the yellow, but again, most of these are an acre or less. Precipitation past 7 days quite wet across the northern half of the geographic area. Greens to dark greens are ½ inch to 1 inch of precipitation. Yellows are over 1 inch. A lot of that translated to snow in the higher terrain as well as up in the Sierra. Southern third of the geographic area did stay mostly dry. Still keeping an eye on the snowpack because there's been some recent additions to the snowpack. You can see a lot of areas still 138%, 180% of normal, even near normal further north. This is a look from the Wasatch Mountains Solitude Resort on Monday where I was there taking this. Snowpack there probably 7-8 feet deep in a lot of areas. A lot of it still has to melt and come down off the mountain. 100-hour fuel is not a big concern, although we're starting to see things drying out towards 10 to 15% in the southern half of Utah, seeing even drier. Those yellow blips are 8 to 10% down in Arizona. Looking at the upper level maps for today, still under this relatively unseasonably cold upper level low with the northeast winds bringing in some of that colder central Canadian air down with clouds for at least the northern half of the geographic area, but still cooler than normal everywhere across the Great Basin. Great overall ventilation with this flow under low pressure. Transport winds mostly out of the north. See some strong winds up in Idaho and parts of Nevada. Excellent mixing heights. And this low actually sags further south and drops down towards St. George and the Arizona Strip with clouds, showers, cool temperatures, excellent ventilation. Again, pretty strong transport winds. And actually, these winds out of the east-northeast could cause some very windy conditions along the I-15 corridor, but windy conditions in a lot of areas. Then Friday, we have this low dropping further down over parts of Southern California, still cooler than normal conditions across the entire west. Transport winds starting to diminish a little bit. This is the 3-day expected precipitation total. Some of the heaviest amounts will be down in southern Utah, where they could see 1/4 to 1/2 inch of precipitation and probably a few inches of wet snow in the higher terrain. Now, as we go into Saturday, this low still sticking around, still cooler than normal temperatures. Still sticking around on Sunday. Temperatures are going to be 10 to 20 degrees cooler than normal, even Monday. By Tuesday, finally this low weakens, and we start seeing strong high pressure starting to build into the west coast, bring some warmer temperatures maybe to the far western portions of the Great Basin. We'll see how that plays out. These are the high temperatures today. On the left-hand side, you can see these 50. It should be in the mid to upper 70s this time of year in a lot of areas. We're about 20, 25 degrees cooler than normal. You can see, though, that in at least western Nevada, things are warming up by next Tuesday into the mid-80s. The mid to upper 70s here across parts of Utah and parts of Idaho, that is roughly around normal, if not even slightly cooler than normal for this time of year. Precipitation days 4 and 5, just a little bit across Utah and the Sierra, and it starts to dry out afterwards. These are the 7-day totals. The 8 to 14-day outlook does show a return to above normal temperatures. We'll have to watch the above normal temperature forecast towards the latter half of May, given the snowpack and a lot of the mountainous terrain. If it starts melting all at once, that could pose some flooding problems. But we see showery weather, at least wetter than normal, expected. This is May 15th to the 21st. Seasonal outlook, May, June. You can see above normal down here in Nevada. But this is the big concern, July and August across the geographic area. This is available on our Outlook section of our webpage. This concludes our briefing. Have a great day.